How to run a motor from different location, from PLC button, from SCADA button and from soft button. So I will start from soft button. Start. This motor is on and there is a on indication also. Release, stop. Then here is motor off. Then this motor will be also off. In SCADA view or HMI view, here is start, motor start, here is on and here is indication on, and stop, motor off, here's the motor off and the indication was also off. So this is program for HMI for remote operation. This for local operation, this for HMI screen operation or SCADA button, sub button, and this one is HMI screen button, schematic HMI. Start, the motor start filling water, and this is the tank level. This is and up and down a scale. 100%, then motor will be off. I will make that program. When I slide this at 0 position, motor will start. When I slide this at 100 position, then motor will be stop. I will make that program for you. Stop. Here is a start. Motor on. Here is stop. Motor off. From here, modify to 1. The motor line 1. See here the result. Modify to 0. It is also run. When stop, modify to 1. Then here is off. The indication motor off. Here indication switch is pressed. When we release, modify to 0. Then it will be 0 and the indication goes off. So this is start and stops, starts, stops. Now I will make it as an analog input level to motor on and off. Thank you.